Well, my dear children, today we will finish the chapter My Childhood. Here, the previous paragraph that we have discussed. In the previous paragraph, you have learned about APJ Abdul Kalam's parents, his works, and when the Second World War broke in 1939, what kind of responsibility is discharged by him. Now, the next paragraph, every child is born with some inherited characteristics. You all are children, and everybody is an individual. So, every child has particular inherent quality. The inherent quality that he possesses from his parents into a specific socio-economic and emotional environment. The environment that a child grows, he adopts those qualities. The impact of socio-economic, society plus economical, socio-economic, what kind of society he is being developed and what kind of economical condition he was having. So these two major factors develops our inherent quality and trained a certain way by figures of authority. And that child, the child that is grown into that kind of society is developed, is reared and is grown into that kind of society. So, what he says, I inherited honesty and self-discipline. What he inherited from his parents? He inherited honesty and self-discipline. Here you see, the child APJ Abdul Kalam inherited self-discipline from his father. What he inherited? Honesty and self-discipline from whom? From his father. APJ Abdul Kalam inherited honesty and self-discipline from his father. Father Jainul Abidin. From my mother, I inherited faith in goodness, and from the mother, faith in goodness. From the mother, inherited faith in goodness and deep kindness. Faith in goodness, deep kindness. From her mother, APJ Abdul Kalam inherited deep faith in goodness. He inherited faith in goodness and deep kindness. I had 3 close friends in my childhood. He had, APJ Abdul Kalam had three close friends Who were the three close friends? Who were those three close friends? These three close friends was Ramadhan Shastri. These three close friends were Ramadhan Shastri, Ramadhan Shastri, Shastri. Number 2, Arvinda. Arvindan. And number 3 is Shiva Prakasham. These were the three friends. APJ Abdul Kalam has 3 close friends, Ramadhan Shastri, Arvindanam and Shivapuram. These 3 friends, school friends, they were very close. All these boys were from Orthodox Hindu family. What is the Orthodox? Who is very much narrow. If you are Orthodox, you are very much strict, very much disciplined in the terms of religion. Brahmin family. But as children from none of us felt very different. But though all these 3 were from Orthodox Brahmin family, the Ramadhan Shastri, Arvindanam and Shivapuram. All these 3 friends were Orthodox Brahmin. But a friendship is a friendship. And we cannot choose our friends by his name, by his religion. Friends are what? A friend is that who shares your same attitude. We select our friends according to our taste, temperament and attitude. So there is no matter of religion. So religion is not over there. So as a child, APJ Abdul Kalam and his 3 friends, Shastri, Arvindanam and Shivapuram, they never felt difference among ourselves. Shastri was son of Pakshi Lakshmi Shastri, the highest priest of the temple. Later he took over the priesthood of that temple. Later his friend Shastri became the priest of that temple. Arvindanam went into the business arranging the transport for visiting pilgrims, and Shivakashan becomes catering contractor. So during the annual Sri Ram Kalyanam ceremony, which ceremony? Sri Sita Ram Kalyanam Samiti. Annual ceremony? Which annual ceremony? Sita Ram Kalyanam. Sita Ram Kalyanam. Sita Ram Kalyanam ceremony. During the Sita Ram Kalyanam ceremony, during the Sita Ram Kalyanam ceremony, our family used to arrange boats with a special platform. What was that? The boat is used and a special platform for what? Carrying the idols of Lord from the temple to the marriage site. Ram Vivah, Sita Ram marriage ceremony. So the idol is carried from the marriage place, situated in the middle of the pond called Ram Tirtha. which was middle of the pond called, which was in the middle of pond. An event from Ramayana, from the life of prophet, were bedtime story. So you see, what were the bedtime of a story? Bedtime story क्या थी बेटा? Bedtime story, events of Ramayana, events of Ramayana, events of Ramayana, and events of Ramayana and what? Prophet. Events of life of prophets, events of life of prophet. Where here you see how beautifully APJ Abdul Kalam was nurtured. So, my mother and grandmother tell the children in our family. One day when I was in 5th standard at the Rameshwaram Elementary School, here in this paragraph, the narrator APJ Abdul Kalam is describing about an incident. An incident, here you see, when he was in elementary school, a new teacher came to our class. I used to wear a cap, a skull cap, that usually Muslim wears, and always sat in front of the row with Rameshwaram Shastri, who wore the sacred thread. वो जनेऊ पहने रहता था. The new teacher could not stomach. If you could not stomach, you could not tolerate. Could not stomach. It means could not tolerate. Could not stomach. Could not stomach, that means could not tolerate. This is the phrase, could not, if you could not stomach, you could not tolerate. So he could not tolerate the very idea of sitting a Muslim boy with a Hindu children. What was that idea? Sitting Hindu priest's son with a Muslim boy, in accordance with our school ranking as the new teacher child. I was asked to go and sit. What did the teacher take? What kind of action a teacher should above the religion? A teacher is like parents. He should not be divided his children on terms of caste, creed and religion. Every student is a student. It hardly matters which religion, which caste the child belongs to. So here, the role of a teacher is not felt good. He may be a different kind of a teacher, but that really doesn't suit to a teacher. So here, he was asked to sit in the back. My seat in the image of my weeping. So what was the reaction? The reaction was that APJ Abdul Kalam started weeping. When I shifted to the last row, left the lasting impression on me. After the school, they went home. After the school, the very incident was very influential. APJ Abdul Kalam himself that the very incident making him sit at the back, separating from his friends, has a lasting impression. So, Lakshman Shastri summoned the teacher. The teacher was called, and any other person told the teacher that he should not spare, he should not spread the poison of social inequality and communal intolerance in the minds of innocent children. Here you see, a teacher should not spread the poison of social inequality and communal intolerance in the minds of innocent children. He bluntly asked the teacher, either say sorry or quit the school. Not only the teacher regret his behavior, but the strong sense of convictions Lakshman Shastri conveyed ultimately reformed this teacher, and the teacher was ultimately reformed. On the whole, the small society, on the whole, the small society, on the whole, the small society, on the whole, the small society of Rameshwaram was rigid in terms of segregation. Segregation means division. Segregation means division. Segregation means division. Segregation. SEG, please note down. SEG, segregation, GATION, division, separation. What he said? In terms of segregation in different social groups. However, my science teacher, Shiva Subramaniam Iyer, was an orthodox Brahmin with a very conservative wife. The teacher was orthodox one and his wife was a conservative. That conservative is a what? Narrow mind. Conservative, C-O-N, please note down. Conservative. Conservative. Narrow. If you are conservative, you are narrow-minded. Narrow-minded. You are narrow-minded. Was something of a rebel. He did his best to break this social barrier. The teacher did his best to break the social barrier. The social barrier that we have created. God has not created any social barrier, my dear children. It is our society that has created the social barrier. It is man-made. So all the social barrier that is based on segregation should be overcome. We should not be bound by. So that people wearing background could mingle easily. Mingling is mixing. He used to spend hours with me and say, Kalam, I want you to develop you so that you are so part with the highly education. These were the words. The teacher wanted to develop him. One day he invited me at home for a meal, and his wife was horrified at the idea. The wife was horrified. Why? The idea of having meal with Muslim. Why? It was because she was conservative. She was a narrow-minded lady. So, Muslim being invited dinner ritually in a pure kitchen, she refused to serve her in the kitchen. As she was a conservative, so she refused to serve the meal a Muslim boy in her kitchen. The teacher get angry with his wife, but instead served with his own. He did not get angry. The teacher patiently served the meal himself. Aids his wife washed up the behind the kitchen door. I wonder whether she had observed any difference. Whether have you observed any difference? The eating habit has no difference. The eating habit has no difference. There was no difference at all. Both the Brahmin and the Muslim boy were taking meals like the same way. When I was leaving the house, Mr. Iyer invited me to join him for dinner again the next weekend. Here you see, saying once you decide to change the system, such problem have a control. What you say? Look at the message. Once you decided to change, once you decided to change the system, you may overcome. If you want to bring some change in society, you need to be you need to counterattack, you need to face the challenges, the confronted. And when I visited the next week, Iyer's wife took me inside her kitchen and said, look at the change. If you want to change, you may change. Change is possible. It is not difficult. Then the Second World War was over and Indian freedom was imminent. The freedom was imminent. India will build their own India, declares Gandhiji. Gandhiji, our leader, the whole country filled with unprecedented. I asked my father for permission to have Rameshwaram. So here there is a change that comes into his life. APJ Abdul Kalam wants to pursue his study, and for higher study he has to go to the headquarters of Rameshwaram. There he told as if he thinking aloud. Here you see the role of a father. The role of a father is very important. A father is very different kind of a person. What his father told him, Abu, I know you have to go away to grow. Abu, the short name of Abdul. Abu, I know you have to go away to grow. Does the seagull not fly across the sun alone without the nest? Here, look at the example. The seagull fly across the sun alone without a nest. He quoted Khalil Gibran's To My Hesitant Mothers. What the line said, your children are not your children. Your children are not your children. They are the sons and daughters of life longing for itself. They are the sons and daughters. They are the sons and daughters. They are the sons and daughters of time itself. They come through you, but not for you. You may give them your love, but not your thoughts. Look, what a beautiful idea, what a beautiful quotation that Khalil Gibran has given you. We all are not the children. We are the sons and daughter of life, and the life that is waiting for us, that is longing for us, You may come through from different parents. A parent may give you love, but not his thoughts. For they are, every child has his own thoughts. So my dear children, it is a very good lesson for you to learn that you are the sons and daughters of the life that is longing for itself. The time is longing, the type is waiting, the type is eagerly waiting for you. So you are the son and daughters of the life that is longing for itself. Now it is your time.